Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 8 subject science and chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. So dear students, in previous video lecture we had talked about what is combustion and what is the igneous temperature. Then we talked about flammable and unflammable substance, isn't it? So today, before going to start today's topic, just have a quick recap. What is combustion? Combustion is a chemical process in which the substance react with oxygen and give off heat and light. In some cases it give off also light. So for example, if we talk about flame, अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ को burn कर रहे हैं, so that is combustion, ठीक है? किसी भी चीज़ को हम बर्न कर रहे हैं, दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस इज कम्बस्टिबल सब्सटेंस, इजंट इट? अब जैसे ही आपने उसमें फ्लेम किया तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल प्रोसीड, इट विल प्रोड्यूस लाइट एंड हीट, राइट? सो वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पेपर को जैसे ही बर्न करोगे तो तुरंत ही उसमें हीट पकड़ेगा और आपका हाथ बर्न हो सकता है ना? सो दैट इज पेपर कैन बी से दैट इज combustible substance. So three major factors are needed required for combustion. First, that particular combustible substance. Second, oxygen is much more necessary for any combustion process, for any chemically combustible process. Oxygen is required, right? Then we will talk about igneous temperature. So igneous temperature, what is that? The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is known as igneous. As its igneous temperature, मतलब सबसे लो से लो टेम्परेचर, किसी भी सब्सटेंस का जितना लो टेम्परेचर होगा, इट मीन्स उसमें कंबशन ईजीली कैच कर पाएगा, राइट? सो व्हाट इज इग्निशियस टेम्परेचर? द लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर, सबसे कम से कम टेम्परेचर जिस पे वो पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस बर्न होना स्टार्ट कर दे, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस इग्निशियस टेम्परेचर. देन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस, द सब्सटेंस दैट हैव वेरी लो इग्निशियस टेम्परेचर एंड कैन ईजीली कैच फायर with flame, which is called inflammable substance like alcohol, petrol, diesel, all. Okay. Next we talked about types of combustion, where we talked about rapid combustion, जिसमें तुरंत ही सडनली और हाई टेम्परेचर पे फ्लेम होना, बर्न होना स्टार्ट हो जाए. सेकेंड वी टॉक अबाउट स्पॉन्टेनियस combustion, and next we talk about explosion. Fine. Today we will discuss about structure of flame. Okay, to understand this topic we have to perform an activity. So first of all we must know that there are three distinct zones of flame. Okay, for structure of flame को understand करने के लिए we must know that flame, the distinct zones, there are three distinct zones that, as you are able to see here in this figure, I have fire on a candle. In that candle, three parts are seen. First, innermost part is seen, that is called black zone. Innermost part, that is called dark zone. Second way, then after dark zone, yellowish part is seen, that is bright and luminous zone. That is bright and luminous zone. And third, that is outermost zone, that is blue in color, and that is blue zone. Okay, so first we can talk innermost, that is black. Second we will talk about yellowish zone, that is middle one, and third is outermost zone, that is non-luminous zone is also called, and its color is blue. So first we will talk about dark zone, right? So it is innermost region of flame. Flame का सबसे inner part होता है जहाँ पे unburnt wax होता है, ठीक है, which contains unburned vapor of wax. Okay. Next, oxygen is not available here, so this part is not too hot. इस part जो सबसे अंदर वाला part होता है flame का, that there due to the deficiency of oxygen, that part don't have too much heat, right? So combustion does not occur in this part. In dark zone, there combustion will not occur due to the deficiency of oxygen. Place a glass tube to its जोन अनबर्न्ड वेपर कैन बी ड्रॉन, उस पार्ट से हम अनबर्न्ड वेपर को आउट कर सकते हैं. दिस वेपर बर्न विथ फ्लेम. Fine, this vapor burn with flame. Next is that is called luminous zone. It is a bright zone. That yellow part which is you are able to see, that part is called luminous zone, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा जो लाइट क्रिएट करता है. It is a bright yellow zone surrounding the dark zone. That means that which innermost part is there, that is dark zone, surrounded by that is luminous zone, that is yellow in color. Here in this zone complete combustion take place. Okay, in this zone only complete combustion take place. The unburnt carbon particles give the yellow color फ्लेम. जो अनबर्न पार्टिकल्स हैं वहाँ पे जो डार्क जोन से गैदर हुए, कलेक्ट हुए, वो येलोइश पार्ट में टोटली बर्न हो जाते हैं एंड दैट पार्ट्स आर कॉल्ड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स. ओके, सॉरी. नेक्स्ट विच इज़ आउटर मोस्ट जोन, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नॉन ल्यूमिनियस जोन, दैट इज़ कलर इन ब्लू. दिस इज़ द पार्ट which is blue in color and here complete combustion take place here. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा कंबंशन ईजीली हो पाता है. क्यों हो पाता है? क्योंकि ये आउटर मोस्ट है, सराउंडेड बाय फ्लेम, है ना, जो एटमॉस्फेयर से ईजीली ऑक्सीजन को कैप्चर कर पा रहा है. और ईजीली कैप्चर ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है, तो ऑक्सीजन मिलने से क्या होगा, इट कैन ईजीली फ्लेमेबल, इट कैन ईजीली combustible. So here enough oxygen is getting and it has a temperature of around 1800 सेंटीग्रेड. क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबसे मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीजन मिल पाता है, जिसके कारण यहाँ का टेम्परेचर 1800 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड होता है और जिसके कारण यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कंबशन प्रोसीड हो पाता है. So to understand this activity, what we have to do, first of all we have to take a candle. After taking a candle, we light it with the help of a matchstick. Fine, and observe the various zone of candle flame. After lighting the candle, what we have to do, we have to observe the various zones of the flame, which are generally which are divided into three parts. First dark zone, second bright zone, that is yellow color, and third is outermost, that is non-luminous zone. Okay, so observation में हम क्या कह सकते हैं, the flame in the region when the combustion of fuel take place. कब फ्लेम होगा, कब जलेगा, जब combustion fuel में प्रोवाइड हो पाएगा. राइट. So conclusion, the candle flame can be divided into three zones or parts. It can be easily distinguished by the colors. So with the help of the color, we can distinguish three of the zone. Innermost, that is black in color, then yellowish, that is middle part, and last one, that is blue in color. Okay. So by the flame color of the flame, we can distinguish these three zones. So till here we have completed structure of the flame. We have completed almost the part of this chapter. So in next video lecture we will meet with some another interesting topic. Till that, take care. Thank you. Bye.